If you don't know me, no, no, no. All the things that we've been through, you should understand me like I understand you. Now, baby, I know the difference between right and wrong, and I ain't gonna do nothing to mess up our happy home. Oh, don't get so excited when I come home a little late at night, 'cause we only act like children